Welcome to ClearTask. Today we are setting 1-inch margins in Microsoft Word. It is quick, straightforward, and essential for perfectly formatted documents. First, open your Microsoft Word document. Navigate to the top ribbon and click on the Layout tab. Look for the Page Setup group on the far left side of the ribbon and click on Margins. A drop-down menu will appear showing a few preset options. The standard normal setting is typically already set to 1 inch on all sides. You can simply click normal to apply it instantly. If you need to verify or manually adjust these settings, go to the bottom of that same drop-down menu and click on Custom Margins. A page setup dialog box will open. Here, you will see specific boxes for your top, bottom, left, and right margins. Change the value in each of these 4 boxes to exactly 1 inch. You can either type the number 1 directly into the boxes or use the small up and down arrows to adjust the exact values. Once all 4 sides are set, go to the bottom of the dialog box and click OK. Your document will immediately update, giving you perfectly uniform 1-inch margins around your text. This standard formatting is the requirement for most professional reports, essays, and business letters. That is all it takes to adjust your margins in Word. Thank you for watching. Be sure to subscribe to ClearTask for more straightforward software tutorials.